Hey guys! Okay, so I'm gonna make this as quick and painless as possible. I showered, washed my face like 4 times, and I still have makeup under my eyes because that's the story of my life. So you know how I get rid of it? I put on moisturizer. Moisturizer literally gets rid of like whatever makeup remnants you have. Like you gotta wash your face first, obviously, but that's just because like for hygiene reasons. But then you just rub it on and it just goes away. Goes away so nice. I wanted to make this a quick, painless video, but as I'm sitting here talking to you guys, I realize like I'm already 30 seconds in and it's pretty painful. So, things I want to talk about. First of all, I recently did a monthly end of decade empties on my YouTube channel. I think that came out on Wednesday of like last week. Um, and I was talking about my perfume, my Taylor Swift perfume that I love. I'm a huge Taylor Swift fan. Like, huge Taylor Swift fan. I love her. Like, I know I said that in a video before. I really love her. Um, so I have her perfume, and I know I said also in a video that I buy things in bulk. Like if I like it, I buy it in bulk. And so I've been wearing her perfume, the Wonderlust, I think it's called, for like literally ever. I have the camera set up a little bit differently, and I feel like it's making me look so much bigger than I am, but that's okay because I know who and what I am. So I love the perfume, and so I bought it in bulk. And I'm on my last bottle, and I was like literally saying in the video, like, oh, I can't wait until this is over. Because you know, when you wear like a perfume for a while and it just becomes like you don't even smell it anymore. That's how I feel like it was with the Taylor Swift perfume. And then literally this last week, I've been getting so many compliments on my perfume. And I'm like, I'm still wearing like the Taylor Swift Wonderstruck, but like people are noticing it now. So I'm like, so anyway, now people are noticing it, and I'm like, do I want to get rid of it, or like, do I want to like repurchase it, but like maybe not in bulk? I don't know. I mean, I still have some left, but anyway. Also talking about buying things in bulk. This is the second time this has happened to me, and it could be because I tried to get organized. Like, I'm not really an organized person when it comes to like household stuff. Um, and so we buy everything in bulk, and we bought like contact solution in bulk, and I have no idea where I put it. I don't know if I put it somewhere. I don't know if we went through it. But I do this thing where like I'm like, oh, I'm gonna put this in this location because it's such a good location, and then like I can never find it. But like where I keep everything that we have in bulk, it's not with that. And I did this before with our deodorants, and I still haven't found them. So like either I'm really good at hiding stuff, which I probably am because I was really weird as a kid and I always like hid stuff, or I was always like hiding on people. I was always hiding on people as a kid. I was very weird. I don't even remember what I was saying. I was saying something about hiding on. Oh, I'm good at hiding and like hiding things, and I don't know what I was saying. I feel like I had a. What was my point? Oh, that I can't find the contact solution, and because I buy things in bulk, and I did that with deodorant, we had to repurchase it. So anyway, so I'm gonna wear my glasses again today because my eyes are a little weird. They've been a little weird, and I don't want to use all the contact solution on my husband. So yeah. There was something else I was gonna say. What was it? Um, Time out. Gotta gather my thoughts. Now I remember. As soon as I shut off the camera, I remember. Um, I literally like exclusively do my makeup like this through the viewfinder. Like I don't use the mirror anymore. And when I rewatch these videos to post them, I'm like, I see so many flaws in my makeup, but I don't see it in real life because I'm like doing this and then like I'm going to work. So I don't like see it in real life, and then I see it in the viewfinder and I'm like, oh, okay, that's weird. And it like drives me insane. But I actually really enjoy doing my makeup in the viewfinder, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. Obviously I'm getting ready for work. So the real reason why I came on, believe it or not, there is a reason. Before I get to the reason, I've been doing my makeup like way more simple because I don't feel like cleaning my makeup brushes, which I know I've talked about before. So I'm using the palette I always do, and I just use like the neutrals in the palette, and you can tell my brush is like dirty as heck. But it's okay because this is always the brush that I use for like the transition color. So it's always like used for neutrals. So I can get away with it. Okay, so the real reason I came on was because the other day I was posting a picture of obviously a client, and most of my clients do follow me on Instagram, which is cool. Whoever has like Instagram does follow me, or on Facebook. And I wanted to know, do you want to be tagged in those posts? Do you want to be tagged when I post a picture of the back of your head? Literally, yes or no. And I ask this for a number of reasons. Sometimes people come to me and they're like, oh, I don't want my existing stylist to know that I'm coming to you now. And so I totally, totally get that. And so I won't tag you in that. Some people feel very uncomfortable when they see pictures of themselves on the internet and they're like, oh, I don't want to be tagged in that. So do you want to be tagged in the pictures? That's the question, yes or no. So please let me know what you guys feel about that, yes or no, and I will respect your opinions. I will totally not tag you if you don't want to be tagged, and if you do want to be tagged, expect to be tagged, because that's it. But it's really up to you guys. So let me know, and that's about it. I'll come back on later to give you final looks, and that's it, guys. I legit feel like you don't have to go to Hollywood to get a Hollywood tan. You can just bronze the shit out of your face. Like, that is what I did today. So I actually have to get to work, like, right now. So yeah, if you guys don't catch this video, since I did it without music on in the background, it will be on my YouTube probably on Saturday. I think that's the day I'm going to dedicate to putting these videos up on Saturday. So if you're watching this on my YouTube on Saturday, hey guys, thank you so much. You can also watch this live on Instagram. Okay, getting weird. I'm talking to like 200 people at once. I do have one more thing to say. That is that I'm now on TikTok. I don't know. I'm on TikTok now, and it is Putnam County Hair, because stylist didn't fit. So it's Putnam County Hair, and you guys can follow me there. I'm not following anybody. Nobody's following me, and I have one video up, so that's it. All right, I love you guys, and I will see you later. I am definitely running late for work because I was dilly-dallying and all those silly things that I was doing, and I got to get to work. So happy Martin Luther King Day to everybody, and I love you guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye. I feel like sexy secretary. These are transitions, so sometimes when I go into a place, if it's sunny out, I look like Bono. I think I've said that before. And I'm like, it's a beautiful day. I feel so like Bono, but all right, bye guys. One more thing that literally I was just saying before, and first of all, look at my nose. When people are like, your nose isn't crooked, look at it. It goes in here, and then it comes out here. It's very bulbous right here. What was I just gonna say? Oh, I was just rewatching this, because that's what I do. Like, I rewatch it and think like, oh, do I need to like add anything or whatever? And then I saw like my contour like was like, whoa, it was like sharp lines. I look like somebody from Guardians of the Galaxy, the blue one, when her lines are like super sharp. And I was like, I need to fix that. So that's like a prime example of when I watch this over, like when I'm about to put it up and I'm like, my makeup looks so crazy. So yeah, that's what happens when you do your makeup in a viewfinder. So I think I've toned it down a bit, but I still look like a Hollywood tan. Bye guys, love you.